Hello guys, today we're unboxing the Osmo Pocket. Now I know what you're thinking, Ven, we saw a bunch of unboxing videos already, so we're not going to waste any time on that. What I'm doing is I'm taking it out of the box, we're taking the Porsche, we're going to a car meet. Now it's a very bright sunny day today, so I'm not going to be using any filters or accessories. What comes in the box, that's the only thing I'm using. So you'll see how it performs outside, and also I'm going to go to a showroom so you can see how it performs inside. Now let's take it out of the box. What do you guys think of the images and videos coming from the Osmo Pocket? Comment below, I want to hear your thoughts. And also, are you willing to spend $350 for the Osmo Pocket? Now, I am not sponsored by DJI, so I can say whatever I want. Today, I enjoyed that I didn't have to take my backpack with me just in order to have a gimbal. This is basically your phone's camera on a gimbal. Anytime I needed to take a video, I took it out of my pocket, took the video, put it back. Convenience-wise, it was perfect. That's it for today. Like and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming soon. See you guys next time.